comes to your mind when you think of a panda? Is it their iconic black and white fur, their love for bamboo, or their irresistible cliness? Let's dive into the world of pandas and uncover the magic behind these adorable creatures. The giant panda, native to China, is a bear known for its distinctive markings and love for bamboo. With their large size, gentle nature, and adorable faces, pandas have captured hearts worldwide. Pandas are herbivorous, and their diet consists mainly of bamboo, which makes up 99% of their food intake. Pandas spend most of their day eating and sleeping, but they're actually quite agile and strong. Pandas use a range of vocalization, including bleats, grunts, and chirps, to communicate with each other. Newborn pandas are about the size of a stick of butter. Pandas have a special wrist bone that acts like a thumb, helping them grasp bamboo. They can eat up to 40 kilograms of bamboo per day. Pandas play a crucial role in maintaining the bamboo forest, which are the home of many other species. A decline in panda population could lead to other species that depend on pandas or bamboo forests start to struggle. Local communities notice changes in the environment and wildlife. Day 7. The ecosystem starts to collapse, affecting water quality and agriculture. Day 15. Soil erosion increases and local economies suffer. Day 30. Conservation efforts are urgently needed to save the pandas and the ecosystem. After 1 year, the panda population has significantly declined and the ecosystem is severely damaged. After 10 years, the loss of pandas become a symbol of environmental neglect and the ecosystem struggles to recover. Pandas teach us about the importance of balance and harmony in nature. Their love for bamboo reminds us to appreciate the simple things in life and to live